True salute. Another welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match, talk about you see Red Bull Salzburg 1 and Chelsea 2. And we get Oga Hope, we be like saying a very ogbonge Chelsea fan may come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Hope, Chelsea don't qualify to the next round of the UEFA Champions League, top of the group so far. But now how you see Chelsea performance for this game?
Well, today game, as I see him, the boys they try. Their individual performance. They play as a team today with their individual talents. They play for today game for Chelsea. So we now qualifying today is a very happy thing for me because I don't give them chance to that level. But when we say they are first and second leg of AC Milan, I think I get the confidence. Say we must get through for this group stage, and now what happen today. So as it stands now, if you watch other teams and when they play, now the big opposition, and then they top their group. So as they top their group, we need to top our group to avoid those big teams also. You understand? So that's how I see how the match day for today. Today match, just really play game. But just that one error for this last period of time, the middle of the game, where the man changed Marco Kovacic, that one spoiled the game. So the coach should be able to read game before you make your substitution. That pattern of substitution, you don't work at all. See, now the midfield can't open. The midfield can't open. Everybody now they go, they come back. Defense now know they coordinated again now because pressure now don't they on the defense. When we can tell him, see now, see as he bring this in Aspiqueta. Don't like what you will talk there for yesterday. For experienced defenders to make sure say they defend that goal when they score. If not like this, at least anytime when Chelsea won't win match, their match they start from early season, early time of the game. And as they pick that goal for first half, second half they call equalize. I know say we must score. And at the end of the day, at the appointed time, the goal come. And as it come, I just give them kudos, say they could be able enough to defend that goal for today. Say they no go to play draw. But they don't say that match, they needed that winning to top the group. And what happened today.
Oga Hope, make I ask you now. You said Chelsea try today, they deliver, even if say they no score reach the expectation when many Chelsea fans they expect say this match the goals supposed plenty. But the important thing is saying at 3 points, you don't get your 3 points, you don't see your qualification. But which Chelsea player be your man of the match for today's match?
For today, I'm man of the match. Now, competition, I'm be my man of the match. Because the ball was everywhere. Midfield, now they even push the attack, they go. And everybody, they see him. When the goal come, he come and he raise hand. The ball come to he use him left, put him. Then I go. Clean one, you see him. And running up and down. Even when they change him, you see, say, somebody is missing from that midfield. I don't know whether an injury make that man come out or I mean the man purposely won't come out. But man of the match for the game for me, now Matheus Kovacic. I'm the man of the match for today's game.
So make I ask you now about Chelsea goalkeeping situation. You can say some weeks ago we talked about the goalkeeping situation, about Kepa and Mendy. But we dey see now say Champions League goal na Kepa the player, Premier League goal na Kepa the player. But you as a Chelsea fan, with what you dey see currently, now who be Chelsea current number one?
My brother, as it stands, for now, you know, if you talk, take person where they for bench, come begin make a number one now. When they come for Premiership, na Kepa. You come for Champions League, na Kepa. So who you want look now as the first choice keeper? For now, as it stands, Mendy is the first. I say Mendy. Kepa is the first choice for Chelsea now as number one goalkeeper. Now, but when we don't come into Carabao Cup, that should be from next year January. Carabao Cup, FA Cup. If they begin use Mendy, it's just to give him opportunity for him to also belong to the team. May not be say he's left behind. Because if you watch when he say Kepa in the bench during the Carabao Cup and FA Cup at times, the coach they bring him to come keep to reserve Mendy based on in current form. You understand? So make sure say in keep fit and make it not be say he can't go get injury. Based on that period of time also, Mendy see the bench. He never Kepa see the bench, see they learn more. And that learning when he did that bench, give him this confidence today. When he be say he did the pitch now they perform, waiting in they perform. And me and you don't see and say, for now, Mendy is unstoppable. Mendy is unstoppable. So you can't say make we give Mendy chance now to come when Kepa is in form. So Mendy should continue. Kepa should continue with his goal form, and the coach should also time go come when he be say, may you look at. So okay, for now, he don't keep as he keep. May give this guy, may he no lose form totally. That's how. For now, Mendy is 20 choice, number one choice for now. Yes.
All right, now, Oga Hope, thank you for your time.